So here is the class I created on Google Classroom. I labeled it second grade science because that relates to my overall course theme of around like first to fourth grade. I'm kind of doing a little bit of everything. So for this I decided to focus on second grade science. So I posted an announcement that says, "Welcome to second grade science. Please comment on this post introducing yourself to your classmates. You can include your name and what your favorite animal is." So this way the other classmates can meet each other, because if it's all online, that might be hard. So I first created, if I go on classwork, I created a resource page. So this has 2 videos and a few websites and a document that gives a little bit of an overview of what they'll be learning for this specific lesson. So then we can go to the quick assignment that I posted. So I labeled this season's project, and I have the instructions right here, and I also said like a little due date. And so this is my first assignment, and then I also did a question. So if I click on this, it says, "What are the 4 seasons and what activities may you do in each season?" This also has a due date, so I can keep track. You can go back to the home page, and that is all.